In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency in PayPal. If you receive payments internationally or simply want to manage money in more than one currency, PayPal makes it fairly simple to add an additional currency to your account. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, sign in to your PayPal account and go to the main account area. From there, look for the wallet section and click on it. This is where PayPal stores your balance information, payment methods, and available currencies. If you've never explored this section before, don't worry, you're in the right place. Once you're inside the wallet area, find the option that says Add a Currency and click on it. This opens the currency management screen where you can choose another currency to add to your PayPal balance. This is useful if you want to hold money in a different currency instead of converting it right away. Next, choose a currency from the list provided. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct one, especially if multiple currencies have similar names or symbols. Picking the right currency matters because it affects how you receive and hold funds in your account. If you're adding a currency for business or international payments, it's a good idea to double check that it matches the one you expect to use most often. After selecting your currency, click on Add a Currency. PayPal will then process your selection and add that currency to your account balance options. In most cases, this happens very quickly. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds. When the currency has been added successfully, click on Done to finish the process. That's it. The new currency is now available in your PayPal account. As a quick tip, after adding the currency, you may want to review your wallet to confirm that it appears correctly. This can help you avoid issues later if you plan to send, receive, or convert funds. Also, keep in mind that adding a currency is not the same as converting money into that currency. It simply allows your account to hold that currency when needed. And that's how to add currency in PayPal. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to manage multiple currencies whenever your account needs them.